Manipur Rifles DPC completed candidates bid to storm Chief Minister bungalow foil. And various students' organizations stage protests against Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016. Hello and good afternoon. Welcome to Times of Manipur, the news read by Haripriya, and now let's have the news in details. General Secretary of All India Congress Committee MP Gaurav Gogoi expressed his doubt on the BJP government's fear regarding an investigation to be carried out by a joint parliamentary committee to throw light on infamous rafale scheme. Speaking to the media person in a press conference held at Congress Bhavan today, Gaurav Gogoi further said the Supreme Court is not the right forum to bring out the truth regarding the scheme, as it doesn't have enough power to see in details of the files related to the scheme. Hence, the truth will come only after investigation by a joint parliamentary committee, he added.
This will continue. The agitation for farmers will continue across the country, and as Congress President Rahul Gandhi ji said, that we will not let the Prime Minister sleep in peace till the farmers of India get the justice that they deserve.
Talking to media persons at the press conference, ex-minister and CLP leaders of MPCCO Ibobi said when Congress party was in power, a joint parliamentary committee was formed and investigation was carried out to trial the truth. However, after the BJP government came into power, the party is running away from the truth, and this shows that they are guilty.
Congress ki MP examine opposition ki mayam, including ruling ki MP mayam jo BJP ki yagodam neba masi to yengsi examine DPC to si hai moina su ya da BJP na aduga akhoi ki Congress ki UP ki matam de moina BJP na het tad ba demand si JPC to any problem, any issue, including force ki kargi moi hari mayam do JPC yes.
Demanding the state government to announce the result of all Manipur DPC completed candidates of Manipur Rifles Mail 2016 batch at earliest, candidates tried to storm the Chief Minister bungalow today. Candidates gather at Kesampa Junction and march towards the CM's bungalow to submit a memorandum. However, the protesters were intervened by the security force near the post office, resulting in a scuffle between the security forces and the protester. Later, few leaders amongst the protesters were allowed to submit the memorandum to the Chief Minister. Eight different student organizations started protests against the Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 at Jantar Mantar, New Delhi today. Under spearhead of the Northeast Student Organization NESO, the president of All Manipur Student Union AMSU, Manjit Sarangthem, and other volunteers took part in the agitation. Participating in the protests, Manjit Sarangthem said further agitations will continue if the Indian government stood up against the joint decision made by the different student organizations of the Northeast states of India.
Apex Modi Singh Waiba, all Assam Union, Mizo Jalaypal, all Manipur Union, all Arunachal Pradesh Union, Khasi Union, Garo Union, Nagasun Federations, 12% Federation, Sinachingba, Onopuk State Taretki, Wiki Mahir Luke Singh, the Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016, the story was Simak, Awang Nopoki, Ikuki Lamsing, Angakona, Ahongba, Amadi, Angakung, Chocolate, the Wakin Hangli Wahangdi, Samgalak level of Mitong, Chocolate, using a free flow that illegal Bangladesh is sing a quickie without any restriction. Young the second to Wahang, one to Masimanga, Wang Nopoki Miamna, upon the Flamka, delegation Mantarda, illegal Bangladesh is sing a restrict on Nova, Tinova, opposed on Nova, Amendment 2016, a city might take left again by Dugum Lava, Kongjan Kola, Sipuna, Mahirui Chakiana, Leminavani.
Ashok Leyland, one of the most popular commercial vehicles in India, has opened its showroom at Thoubal Kiam Sifai today. The inaugural function was hosted by the authorized dealer of the brand Lamjingba Motors Private Limited, which is a subsidiary branch of Lamjingba Group of Finance, and it was attended by the CAF and PD Minister Karam Shyam and high-ranking officials of Ashok Leyland. CAF and PD Minister Karam Shyam and high-ranking officials of Ashok Leyland attended the inaugural function. CAF Minister Karam Shyam has appreciated the young entrepreneurs who managed to bring such deal in the state. He further added that Lamjingba Group has generated employment of around 860 educated youths, Manipur that even the state government finds hard to do.
Manipur narol mayamama more than the lakh 8.5 lakhs ki mathakta educated youth singsi unemployed youth oidana thabak phangdadana lairabagi tanja sida aduna hojiki matamda naharol lairik laisu haiba sanipan humpu gi title launa the responsibility maga loinana thabak pibai se araiba thabak natini aduna Lamjingba Group se lamjing yana aina adi khanjaba lai.
And now let's have a short break. We'll bring you with more news, so stay with us.
Tom TV, the first private satellite TV channel of Manipur, now available at Tata Sky on channel number 1973.
Welcome back. Last night, in an inferno tree shops located at Waikong Bazaar within the Hyanglam constituency of Kaching district was gutted into ashes. According to the police, the fire likely sparked from LPG or petrol kept inside the shop. Properties worth 8 to 10 lakhs were destroyed. The ablaze properties belong to Kundrakpam Basanta, Laishram Basikumar and Sanasam Ibomcha. After the incident, putting helping hands forward, MLA of the constituency, Dr. T.H. Radhesham, offered rupees 1 lakh each to the shop owners. Rongdai Primary School Building Extension, Teachers' Quarters and Rongdai Gate was inaugurated by TADC Chairman Namsin Ray Panmei, its Vice Chairman A.G. Panmei and its Executive Member G. Apawukhui at Rongdai Village respectively. Here is a report.
Addressing the gathering as chief guest, TADC Chairman Namsin Ray Panmei said, today TADC has completed the said project in order to bring about quality education in the village in particular and for the state in general. Teachers posted in particular villages will be asked to stay at their newly constructed quarters so that they can teach the students properly in order to bring improvement in educational system in the state, he added. He also appealed to the villagers to cooperate with the teachers and the school administration.
School practice quarter natana school building khaktana sunatana akhoi ki grassroots ta akhoi ki ADC gi makhada akhoi IBR lambi thong yadaba suspension bridge yadaba water supply health atop sector so akhoi hotnaraga lairi akhoi gi hojiksi 14 finance ki third state finance commission gi makhada akhoi sigumba program khai si hape haraga akhoi progress lena chathari haibsi media gi thongda.
On the other hand, Vice Chairman of the ADC, S.G. Palmai, lauded the villagers for having the spirit of unity and mutual understanding in the village. He also urged them to continue building the spirit of oneness while focusing more on the importance of quality education. Within efforts to bring quality education here and to bring the teachers who are posted in the villages from teachers coming from the different villages, the Autonomous District Council Tamenglong has inaugurated the teachers' quarter along with the school extension building here in Volongdai village, which is some 125 kilometers away from Infal. the administration has assured to continue bringing the developmental work in the sector of education in many villages under the Tamenglong districts and non districts. With camera person Sarah Chandra, Blessing Gangmai, Tom TV News, Bolongdai, Manipur.
Many vehicles from Imphal and Jiri are left stranded on the Imphal-Jiri highway due to the bad conditions of Barak Bridge, which is one of the most important bridges in the stretch. According to a news report, the bridge got broken its railing after goods-laden truck coming towards Imphal from Jiribam tried to cross the bridge at around 11:50 this morning. People are coming in to buy books at the 27th Imphal Book Fair 2018 at Thangweban Thao Ground, organized by the State Central Library, Department of Art and Culture, Government of Manipur in collaboration with Raja Ram Mohan Roy Library Foundation, Kolkata. The book fair which will continue till 24th of this month, will have many programs like children's spot painting, book release, mid-brain activation, mid-author lecture program, quiz competition. There are 100 stalls showcasing book journals of publisher bought from in outside the state. One of the visitors at the fair said that such fair give us the opportunity to purchase books of our choice in just one place. It's not only benefits the students but the masses.
Discount so adum PB buko aduga aigi isanu pa hando like thawai khara yawba adudana madi book fair se adum book fair se like yam dai gi mot de yam phai khalle akoi like apam se phangaga di ko akoi gi pa ba da khara kana ba phangni khalle aduna si yan phai khalle
koina han scenery ba like to natawa ngasai gi net ta gi da phangu natawa but the actual ground realities da koi says da kari na physically phangbi aba like sing do ano boina sum yeng bai tare ko ada sina tawa atopa khoi additional khoi na han di bhapti oru dawa au ate to ano additional kari karma larik lege do adu gum sapi sum khangning bai tare ko adu angang sing chu like sin bi yenga atmosphere nga kina encouragement phangi
sum yam nungai sumain tawbaje khoi gi kai hatare sida apamba khoina khaning badu sida khalle stationery inda sarlaga kholaga leibedo leidabi da sida phange haida yam nungai
like tami bangang singum na hen thawai awe man do akoi gumba retired person ni hen interest way moi to kitang encouraging tawni moi ka kana like ki kanu chit like chabra na kale aji like bi book fair ki kanu che moi do na pinning e chance.
The burn at Bishnupur district on 19 December called by the DEC against the unknown missing kidnapping of Kundongbam Doren affected normal life. The whereabouts of Kundongbam Doren is still unknown ever since he went out of his home on 9 November around 3 p.m. Market remained closed, less number of vehicles on the road but government and private schools and offices remain functional. A notice released by the JC stated that Doran has been missing under suspicious circumstances. So the appeal the government to find him and hand him over to the family or more protests will be followed. Mid-brain activation program was held at 27 Imphal Book Fair 2018 Thangweban Thao Ground. Varieties of program was held at the fair, organized by the State Central Library, Department of Art and Culture, Government of Manipur, in collaboration with Raja Ram Mohan Roy Library Foundation, Kolkata. Mid-brain activation program sponsored by Genius Mid-Tech Imphal showcased the talent of the young kids. Speaking about Mid-Brain Master Narajit Moirangthim said that it's helped us to work both left and right side of the brain together. It will teach the kids to function, communicate both sides of the brain together.
Mid-Brain I say, me brain say, ani suitana ko, ID left haibama, right haibama. Haiba brain and is marakta yawa brain and is pondok poxin tone hambagamba adugamba part amani brain ki moro part amane mas akoi mebana adi pothara ka legi haidare ko tumuga pothara ka legi bise akoi na japan ki technology maki matengna moje sound therapy hai tare ko khoi ne to jari se hai ba sound therapy si toraga moje hai ba mid brain se hingala laga left ka right ka brain ani se connection pangna laga na brain se angang ke brain se hena sau tho laga hai di angang se makal makal ke talent ke amang pa sing be hengala pa adu ko memory power high form memory ora pa kuna moise kuna super power brain ga hai du ne pa mid brain active cell full logi ba ngang se sini sarok pa mid brain ke
As part of security measures taken up by district police, a cordon house search operation was conducted at Paumei Colony under Hengang Police Station today. The search operation started around 6 a.m. and continued till 7:30, in which 37 houses, including EDC Bhawan, 3 hostels and 225 people were verified, but no arrest was reported. And now let's have a short break.
Watch Live in Style, a gateway to the elegance of Manipur. Live in Style, every Saturday night 7:30, only on Tom TV.
Welcome back. A groundnut farmer in Andhra Pradesh, unable to bear the sight of flooded crops, collapsed on his field, terming it a natural death. The revenue official said that the deceased kin were not even eligible for compensation. The incident occurred on Tuesday when 70-year-old Kotipali Chinavadu went to clear the excess water gathered in the field due to heavy downpour caused by Cyclone Pethai. However, Chinavadu was unable to bear the shock of his crops completely submerged in water and suffered a heart attack. The local residents of Meliaputi Mandal's Kosamala village demanded a compensation and post-mortem of the farmer. But the revenue official said the off-kin of the crop grower were not eligible for compensation as it was a natural death. The official also rejected the villagers' plea for a post-mortem examination on the ground that was not necessary for an aged person. The official took the issue to the notice of Joint Collector KVN Chandrakar Babu as the villagers insisted on payment of compensation. The Joint Collector reportedly sought the suggestion of the Chief Minister Office in this regard, as was a unique case. A detailed report should be sent to the CMO today. The Cabinet information in Madhya Pradesh will be a tightrope walk for the Congress. Several ministerial aspirants from different teams led by Digvijay Singh, Jyotiraditya Scindia, former Union Minister Suresh Pachauri and Arun Yadav, Rajya Sabha MP Viventa Kha, ex-MP Meenakshi Natharanjan and former leader of the opposition in the Assembly, Ajay Singh, are demanding a big share in ministerial berth. Too many aspirants and the challenge of keeping a caste and regional balance could hold up ministry-making efforts of the Kamal Nath government. The Uttar Pradesh police on Tuesday claimed to have named the main culprits of the cow slaughter incident in Bulandshahr a fortnight after 2 persons died during mob violence over discovery of cow carcasses. The police arrested 3 persons near a local animal market in Bulandshahr after they intercepted a vehicle carrying the suspect based on a tip-off. Chhattisgarh Minister T.S. Singh Deo is likely to get the key portfolio of finance and Taramdas Sahu either agriculture or public works. The allocation of the portfolios in the Bhupes Baghel cabinet is expected to be completed by December 24th, according to Congress sources. Baghel is expected to meet Congress President Rahul Gandhi soon to discuss the allocation, said a Congress leader who did not wish to be identified. Now let's move on some newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. Go to village mission reaches remotest hamlet. Government officials visit Chakha village after 1984. 4 cops surrender before Chief Judicial Magistrate Court. Pay rupees 1 lakh fine each. Land acquisition delays highway work. BJP will win all 25 Lok Sabha seats in Northeast, says Sonowal. The People's Chronicle. Debt-ridden state likely to face overdraft soon. Finance Ministry sanctions rupees 2,899 crore for providing safe potable water. Government of India NSCNK hold informal meeting. Next round in January. Salai seals deal for poultry. Beers projects. Market complex worth rupees 4.30 crore to be set up at Lilong. The Morning Bell. Minorities' Rights Day observe. Government's vision is to destroy the developmental gap between minorities and others, says Chief Minister. Mother of 3 physically challenged children seeks assistance from government. Jofi students meet the President of India. Chandel Christmas Carnival garners rupees 27 lakh in revenue. Imphal Free Press. Minority Rights Day observe. Several developmental works under pilot projects will start in minority-dominated areas, says Chief Minister. Another person held for mocking Chief Minister on Facebook. Release letter. Man dies of genetic muscle disease. Family appeals health authorities for attention. 4 police are seated by CBI surrenders before court.
AICC General Secretary MP Gaurav Gogoi expressed doubt over BJP government's fear regarding investigation on rafale scheme. Manipur Rifles DPC completed candidates bid to storm Chief Minister bungalow foiled. And various students' organizations stage protest against Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016. That's all for the moment. Thank you very much for joining us and keep watching Times of Manipur News Update.